This review is of Duke's original recipe smoked shorty sausages. It's gluten-free, USDA inspected. They smoked it with hickory wood. It's made with a classic blend of spices and freshly chopped herbs. It's fresh pork, no MSG, gluten, or added nitrates. It uses no gluten, no liquid smoke, and so on and so forth. There's the information there for you. Alright, let's give it a try and see what it's like. This is a lot less oily or greasy than the other two that I've tried from Duke.
Probably because it's these big packs.
No, it's the amount of fat they put in.
Oh.
I don't know why, but this has got 15 grams of fat, 5 grams of which are saturated. The Serrano ones have 10 grams, 3.5 grams are saturated, and the Hatch green chilies, 9 grams, 3 of which are saturated. Interesting, so this has actually got the most fat in it, but it's the least greasy. I don't know why. But, it's not bad. It's very dry. The flavoring, the spices, it's actually fairly mild. So if you're looking for a milder stick, this is probably a good choice for you. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.